Hello everyone, I'm Aaron, a birding naturalist. Check out these 3 yellow-billed magpies. Native California species. Some young birds are kicking around the area, kind of learning how to be magpies. They're pretty fun to watch, such social birds. They travel in family groups, and then family groups join together to form larger groups. And it's really fun to watch the adults kind of teach the young ones about the world, and to watch the young ones begging for food, following their parents around, making quite the ruckus. Really fun birds. If you like science and nature, like and subscribe for more.